This presentation is about spelling mistakes in Japanese beginner second foreign language German. My name is Rudolf Reinelt. I teach at the University in Matsuyama in Japan. Scheduled time is Saturday, November 21st, 12:15 to 1:15. Okay. Item correctness theory suggests that mistakes increase with length, difficulty, and unfamiliarity of items, and decrease with the opposite. This contribution addresses an area of foreign language learning where neither holds. In the free writing term final essays in the presenters Echme University German for Beginners courses, learners often make one single mistake each in various places in words of varying length, such as in Geschichte, missing ch, or Uber for aber and higher for here. In order to explore the high frequency of one-letter mistakes, this presentation briefly addresses the problem of typos, spelling mistakes when learning a second or third writing system, and consider 7 features used for difficulty prediction between Japanese, English, and German, such as length and pronunciation clarity, Beinborn et al. 2016, and the resulting error patterns, and employs these for analyzing the spelling mistakes in productions of 3 kinds of length: below 200, 200 to 400, or 400 and over words, and addresses the single versus 2 or more spelling mistakes contrast before searching for explanations and applications, and finally addresses the question, what is the future of spelling in the age of spell checkers and Google Translate? Okay, the presentation again is on November 21, 12:50 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Hoping to see you.